Hey, what's going on, guys? Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here doing another video for you guys. And I guess you could say this is kind of going to be like a part two to the video that I did previously that was titled Broke People. Yes, broke people looking to become day traders. If this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, I do definitely recommend getting subscribed to my channel. Go back a few videos ago and check out that video because it got a lot of views. I feel like it was a very important PSA for everyone out there who's beginners looking to take part in investing, day trading, no matter what market it is, the Forex market, crypto, stocks, whatever the case may be, right? Because this video that I'm making for you guys today is kind of going to sum it up. And to some of you out there watching this video, I promise it's one you're going to watch to the end. Don't leave off at any point, because the point I want to make to you guys, and it's a point where I feel like first I want to get into because it's where a lot of people go wrong inside of the industry, right? I really feel like there's a lot of people who are looking at the industry just a tad bit one-sided, I guess you could say, because even though you may be looking to take the journey as a day trader, right? Investing kind of comes along right in there, because with day trading as a whole, you got to think about it. That's originally what it is you're doing. You're also a investor, no matter what, right? And if we really want to play the game smart, we have to be diversified. We kind of have to have a little bit of money every single where, right? I feel where, like I said, a lot of people go wrong is that instead of diversifying where they have their money at, what they're doing with their money, they keep it singular on one, right? They know inside of their mind that they're looking to be a day trader, right? So they're either looking to day trade Forex, crypto, do options and stocks, whatever the case may be, right? And that's perfectly fine, but they're so stuck on that to the point where, let's use the example that they're looking to go out and trade Forex, right? Or crypto. They go out and they create a broker's account. They put all the money that they're looking to take this journey with, right? And they put it in there, whether it be $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, right? They put it in there. And they embark on this journey of day trading, and they may be in a situation where they're not at the point yet. They don't have the correct skill set, risk management plan, trading plan, or whatever the case, and they're not profitable, and they lose that money, right? And when they lose that money, they're kaput. They're out of the game. They either have to go find some more money to come back and play with, or they're out of the game just completely, right? That's where people go wrong. I really feel like to tell you how much money you actually need, because that was the big question of that previous video that I told you guys to go back and watch, because I never really said, in my opinion, how much money you actually need to take part in the industry. What's a good number, right? If you said 5,000 isn't enough, what is actually, a good number? And I thought about it for some time. I actually took a few days on this, and the ideal number, you guys will already see in the title that I came up with, my opinion, right, is $50,000, right? And the reason why I came up with this number of 50,000 is because I thought to myself, right, what is a ideal amount of money that someone would need to have, right, to diversify, to kind of spread out a little bit, have a decent nest egg to do two things. Two things. Go into different markets, not only just be singular on Forex, but to have money to day trade Forex, have money to day trade crypto, have money to day trade options, right? So you have different brokers accounts. And then also make it just a tad bit bigger than just even day trading within itself, right? Let's hypothetically say we put some money to the side outside of just our day trading accounts that we have, but we also go ahead and put some money spot into cryptocurrency, right? We physically hold cryptocurrency, right? we pick some good dividend stocks. We pick up that, right? We pick up some good stocks that are not dividend stocks, but we think we could make a good return on them. And the point that I want to make, that I feel a lot of you have also, is that not everything that you do, not everything that you put money into is going to be a home run where you do hundreds of percent, thousands of percent every single year. There will be things that you put your money into, right, that might only do 10, 20% this year that you have your money into it. Like most stocks that I'm invested in, most dividend stocks, the dividend might pay 3 to 6%. But along with that 3 to 6%, I'm hoping that the actual stock, like Coca-Cola, is one that I am invested in. I'm hoping the stock does another 3 to 6 with it. So for the year, I could do 10%, 12%. Everything is not this, oh, I did 500% this year. Of course, you will have those investments, but when you're diversifying, it's very important to notice that you no longer keep yourself in a situation that's, if I put it just here and it goes wrong, it's gone, right? You have hedges within itself. So there are days, since I'm so hedged, where if we stick down to just day trading, right, I may take a loss in certain Forex trades that I'm in, but the day trades that I'm in crypto, they do well. So if I was just in Forex, I would be at a loss for the day. But due to the fact that I was also day trading cryptos, we can now consider this, let's hypothetically say, a wash. And then now with the stock options that I have, if I had a profitable day there, boom, guess what? I'm still profitable, right? Whereas once again, if I just had Forex and I didn't do well over there, I'm in a negative for the day, or I might have broke even, or whatever the case may be, right? And then now I also feel, because one of the things that I've spoke about in the previous video that I preach is that since you don't want to be in a situation where you spend all of the money, all of your profits that you actually make while you're day trading, physically holding stocks, physically holding crypto is a great hedge to say, hey, you know what? Let's say I had a $10,000 profit in day trading this month, right? Let me keep $3,300 in the account. $3,300 I'm going to take and put into crypto. $3,300 I'm going to take and pay myself. The next month I might change it up. Instead of putting the $3,300 into crypto, I'll go ahead and buy stocks with that, right? So now, by holding these physical assets, in my case, what I'm saying to you guys is crypto and stocks. And by doing that each month now with my profits, it creates now, because the day trading, different options, different like options, crypto, stocks, that hedges me in a day trading kind of perspective, day to day, week over week. But it's not actually something that's really long term, right? How I hedge myself, my portfolio and myself long term is now by taking my trading profits now and taking a little for myself, keeping a little in so I could still grow my trading account while also now putting money into these different avenues. So now that hedges me and protects me if I have a down month, instead of just a down day, but a down month. It protects me if I didn't really get that good of a year in, right? I didn't blow my account. Never would I do that, right? I never have really a negative year. Things are just kind of too spread out. So coming back around to that initial number of $50,000, right? You have to be able to put enough money in all of those different avenues, right? And you can do it with smaller money, because now let's take the $5,000 guy first, right? He wants to hedge himself, right? So he puts 500 here, 500 there, 500 here, 500 there, right? And don't get me wrong, that's cool. If there's any newbies out there watching this video, don't feel discouraged. You can do that, right? With 5,000 bucks, right? The only problem is the reality of things is 500 here, 500 there, 500 here, 500 there is a great start. I encourage everyone to start somewhere. And if you're going to start, you're going to want to do it the smart way, which is not just putting all of your money in one place, right? Only problem with 500 here, 500 there is that $500, going back to what I said in the previous video, broke people looking to become day traders, is not enough money for you to really wet your whistle. And I hope you guys understand what I'm saying with wet your whistle, right? We can do 100% on this month. That's 500 bucks. What are we going to go do? 500 bucks, right? Now, that guy with $50,000 now has the ability to not put 500 here, 500 there. He puts 5,000 here, 5,000 there, 5,000 here, 5,000 there, 5,000 here, right? So now you take that and you say, hey, you know what? I want to do 50% on it this year. All of those little 5,000s, right? That's 2,500 profit here, 2,500 profit there, 2,500 profit here, and so on and so forth. So now, and to some terms, that's not even big money, but the reality of it when we look at it from that standpoint is that if we're plucking 25,000 here, 2,500, 2,500, 2,500, right? That's a little bit more profitable than pulling 250, 500. By the time we go pay some bills, try to the money's gone. It's not actually, any big money there. So that's just, something to consider. You guys can go ahead and get down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Some food for thought there. I'm going to leave it there. Money Making Joey, I'm out of here. I will see you guys in the next one.